For this training video, I will be showing you how to input the scores from any testing you do for an evaluation or reevaluation into C's using SmartEval. After you log into C's, click on the main menu on the left-hand side, the green bar, and go to SmartEval. Then choose either Initial Psychoeducational Report or Reevaluation Report, depending on what you are completing. From here, you will want to search which student you are wanting to use. And if they're up, then you just click on their name to go into their file. So from here, you'll see the navigation bar on the right-hand side looks very familiar to the one on the IEP packets. So you'll notice that it says Add, and in here is where you're going to add the assessment that you want to use. So you click Insert Assessment. Now here's where you type in whatever assessment you're using. If it's the KABC, you would just type in the acronym or the beginning of letters. If it's the Wyatt, you would type in the letters here. Now you want to make sure you don't hit enter, because if you hit enter, it will clear the box, the search box, and then you won't have a test to enter. So if you're looking for the Woodcock-Johnson, you could type in WJ. For the Woodcock-Johnson, you're going to choose the Woodcock-Johnson 4 Tests of Achievement. And if you just click that hyperlink, it will insert it as it says in the box here. Click OK, and the red X to close out here. Then you notice it does show up now on the right-hand side navigation bar. So if you click on Woodcock-Johnson here, then you're going to notice that it has now 2 narrative boxes available here, and then you do want to go ahead and type in the test date. And then going back to the right-hand side here, you're going to click on the little score word, and that will bring up a new window, and this is where you'll enter your scores from the testing. So this looks different just depending on which test you have administered. You're going to want to go ahead and type in your age equivalent, grade equivalent, RPI, standard score, and just touch base with the school psychologist to make sure you're entering the scores that you need. And when you're finished entering scores, click Save. And then if you have entered actual scores, you would see a graph pop up here in the middle of those scores. And then this first box, you can leave that generic statement there about the different tests. Each one should have a statement. If you click on the next box, you'll notice up at the top it says Narratives Available. If you click on that, you can choose one of these district examples and insert that narrative into your for your test analysis. You could take this and paste it into Word so that you can modify it for your student. It's also located on Teams for the Wyatt and for the Woodcock-Johnson, but you do want to make sure that you do a test analysis, something that makes it easy to use that data for you in the IEPs if that student is qualifying for services. So this is, again, just an example, but it is something that you can use in your write-up. Then from here, you just save and exit, and that is all.